Hey there, English explorers. Welcome back to Speak English in 2 Minutes series. Let's boost your speaking fluency with real phrases you can use today. I'm your host, Emily, from FluTalk English. Imagine this. You're meeting a friend after a long time. Don't just say, "How are you?" Try this instead. "Hey, long time no see." Sounds way more natural, right? Then say, "What have you been up to?" It means, "What's new with you?" Super friendly and casual. Now imagine they ask how you've been. Instead of saying, "I'm fine," try, "I've been keeping busy." Or same old if things haven't changed much. Next, you're about to leave. Don't just say goodbye. Say, "Catch you later" or "talk soon." These are real English phrases native speakers use every day. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. "Hey, long time no see. What have you been up to?" "I've been keeping busy." "Catch you later." Say them again, this time faster and with feeling. The more you say it, the more natural it becomes. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need confident everyday English. Thanks for spending these 2 minutes with me. Like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more. You're doing amazing. Keep going.